So hello guys, so for today's topic, I'm going to discuss how to convert a unit in a linear measurement. So meron tayo ditong English linear measurement. Okay, so 12 inch equals to 1 feet, 36 inch is equals to 1 yard, 3 feet is equals to 1 yard, 5,200 feet is equals to 1 mile, and 1,760 yards is equals to 1 mile. Okay, so in example number 1, so we're going to convert 6 yards into feet. Okay, so solution. Okay, so we're going to copy the 6 yards and then we're going to multiply by the kung saan natin siya kino-convert, no? So kino-convert natin siya sa feet. Okay, and then sa baba naman natin is yard para yung ating unit dito na yard sa taas ay ma-cancel out, no? And then sa isang yard, meron tayong 3 feet. Then next, after that, so we're going to cancel the yard. Okay, and then may iwan na lang yung ating feet na unit. And then we're going to multiply 6 times 3. So that is 18. And then we're going to divide by 1. So 18 divided by 1, so that is 18. Okay, so our final answer is 18 feet. Okay, so therefore, in 6 yards, there are 18 feet. Okay, so next, number 2. So we're going to convert 4 miles into yards. Okay, so solution. So ganun pa rin gagawin natin, no? So kukopyahin natin yung ating kino-convert na 4 miles. Okay, and then we're going to multiply. Okay, sa taas kung saan natin siya kino-convert. So kino-convert natin siya sa yard. Okay, tapos sa baba, yung kaparehas ng ating unit doon sa ating given. So that is miles or mile. Okay, so sa loob ng isang mile, meron tayong 1,760 yard. Okay, and then we're going to cancel out the mile. And then matitira yung ating yard. And then after that, so we're going to multiply 4 times 1,760. Okay, so dito tayo. Gawa tayo ng solution. So we have 1,760 multiply by 4. So that is 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. So bring down 4. Carry 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. So bring down 0. Carry 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Okay. So therefore, we have 7,040. Okay. So if you divide by 1, so the answer is ganun pa rin, no? So meron pa rin tayong 7,040. So our final answer is 7,040 yards. Okay? Okay, so example number 3. So we're going to convert 60 inches into feet. Okay? So solution. Okay, so we're going to copy yung ating 60 inches and then multiply kung saan natin siya kino-convert. So that is feet. And then sa baba naman yung kaparehas ng ating unit ng ating given. Okay? So in 1 feet, there are 12 inches. Okay, so just cancel the common unit. So cancel to, cancel to. So may iwan si feet. Okay, then we're going to multiply 60 times 1, then divided by 12. Okay, so 60 times 1, so that is 60. And then, gawa tayo dito ng solution ng 60 divided by 12. Okay, so ilang 12 meron sa 60? So, the answer is 5. Okay, so 5 times 12, so that is 60. Then 60 minus 60, so that is 0. So the answer is 5. Okay, so our final answer is 5 feet. Okay, yun lang. Salamat.